the Museum of Soap and the History of Dirt.
Okay, so we will start our tour from very important question. How do you think? How old is soap? How long ago somebody could create the first ever soap?
That's a hard, 3,000 years?
Okay, and you are not so far from the answer, because around 5,000 years ago the first soap ever was created, but it wasn't looking like the one that we are using right now. We don't have an ancient soap here, but it doesn't matter because we know the recipe, so we create one. So this is exactly how the ancient soap was looking like. Not really yummy, as you can see. These are just two ingredients put together. The one is animal fat, the second one were a little bit of ashes. So those two together were creating something that we can call a soap. We don't really know if they use it for the body or only for washing clothes, because there are no documents from those times. But if you like to use it as a soap, of course you can do it. You just need to put it all over the body, make some kind of massage with it, and then take this really nice looking thing, which was named strigile. So strigile was something like a scrubber to scrub all the dirt and the soap base from the body. So it wasn't really nice to use it, but it doesn't matter, people use it absolutely every day. Ancient Greeks did it with a cold water. Ancient Romans knew what's the best. The warm water was absolutely the best thing to get to relax. So that's why they were building really big, beautiful, something like a public bathhouses. Of course, people were going there not only just to sit in the water and spend some time. They were, for example, going around there to have a dinner, to watch some theater scenes, listen to music, or just spend really nice afternoon with friends. So that's why we can say that they spent there around 4 hours every day. They were the most cleanest people in the world. But they had one dirty secret, and it's connected with what we have here. So what is it?
The toilet.
Yeah, and toilets in those times also were something like a public places. So that means that if you need to go to the toilet, there was always somebody on your left, on your right, and also opposite to you. And of course, in those times the diet was a little bit different, so you need to spend there something like 30 minutes. Now you will just take your smartphone with you. In those times you just need to talk to other people. So it was very nice that you have so many people around you. And of course at the end the most important thing was to find something to use. There wasn't a toilet paper, so you always can use that one, which was kind of a natural sponge. But what's important, it was one for the public use. So after you use it, you just need to pass it to another person till the last one in the row. So he wasn't the lucky one, we can say. And to be the first one was the most important thing, visiting this kind of a toilet. So this is the dirty secret, but what's very important, it was the only dirty secret about those times.